Here I have Samsung Galaxy M04, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. So by tapping on it once, you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can add a schedule to it, you can change its name, you can select days on which it will be active, you can select start time, end time of this schedule. You can also allow some interrupters during Do Not Disturb mode. It could be calls and messages, it could be app notifications, it could be alarms, media, sounds, touch sounds, calendar, events, and also reminders. You can also hide notifications, you can hide some specific type of notifications, or you can just hide them all. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.